Friday morning around 7. Feels cool. Looks like 78 degrees, which is better than it has been. Me and my buddy Floyd having coffee. That's Pretty Boy Floyd. He's been put on a diet, so he's losing some weight. He was up to like 22 pounds. I think he's down under 20 pounds now. So he runs the neighborhood. There's been a change in... Oh yeah, I got a new soldering iron also. My other one, it didn't seem to be holding the heat as well as it used to, so off to Hobo Freight I went, and I got this one. It's got a variable power supply. It can go up to 900 degrees, so I think that's going to help things out. Anyway, the body mount change on the sedan delivery. I was going to use the wood to mount it, but I've changed my mind. I'm going to use the H&R chassis body mount system, which is these two metal strips. Then you use the Velcro buttons on the inside of the body, and those pins right there slide into the holes right here, so it allows for float, and it's just Velcro, so it's just, you just spread the body and it's very easy removal. So that's what I've decided to do for mounting the body. This morning I'm going to wire up the guide, take it inside, run the chassis on the track, then I will tear it down, clean everything, give it a bath in vinegar and water, and after that some dish soap, dry it off good. I don't know if I'll just clean up the brass and leave it brass, or if I'll paint it. That's to be decided later. And then I have to paint that. I would like to two-tone it, silver and maroon. Two-tone is very tough. It's hard to keep that paint from bleeding. And I got some pinstriping tape. I'll start with that, and then I'll add the regular tape below that, and hopefully I can seal it up so it doesn't bleed. I hate repainting cars. I only like to do them once, so. But anyway, that's the update on what's going on. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.